Hello viewers, welcome to the video tutorial on how to add segments in your Samco account. So let's begin. First, visit and log in on star.samco.in with your back office login credentials. Once you logged in, click on your name mentioned on the top right of the screen and select account settings. Now, click on Modify Now button. To request for segment edition online, please ensure that your Aadhaar number is linked with your mobile number and email address. Now, to proceed, select Segment Edition option from the list and enter your Aadhaar number and click on Submit. A dialog box will appear which states that proceed only if you have Aadhaar number registered with your mobile number and email address and click on OK to confirm. Now, select your desired segment you want to add in your account and click on Submit. Now a pop-up will appear where you have to upload your income proof. You can upload any of the income proof mentioned in the list. Now to upload a file, click on Add File button, select the file and click on Upload. Now tap on Submit to verify and authenticate using Aadhaar eSign OTP and click on Allow. Now you will be redirected to NSDL eSign portal where you have to click on the checkbox, enter your Aadhaar number and click on Send OTP. Now you will receive an OTP on your registered email address and mobile number. Enter the OTP and click on Verify OTP. Once your OTP is verified successfully, your request will be processed within 72 hours if there is no discrepancy in the documents uploaded. In case you face any difficulty, feel free to contact us on 022 2222 7777 or raise a ticket on www.samco.in/support. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.